Alright, so this is what we're going to be doing tomorrow. First, our warm-up is going to be kind of like Mrs. DeMullen's first grade math class. Fun stuff. We are going to have a timed test. That's right. I'm going to have an assignment for you that has 25 problems. I'm going to give you 3.5 minutes, not just a mad minute. No, we get a mad 3.5 minutes, where you are going to enter the answer for addition and subtraction problems. I think you're going to be okay with this one. So the idea behind this quiz is to be able to get it done within 3.5 minutes. Now, why do we do this? Speed isn't the most important thing, but why do we do this? Great question. Well, we're doing this because we need to build fluency in adding and subtracting with negative numbers. In other words, we need to be able to add and subtract quickly and efficiently, so we don't always have to whip out our calculators and do the problems on our calculators, because that ends up taking more time than it really should. Also, calculators are a wonderful thing. However, we need to have an understanding of what should the answer be before we type things into the calculator, because if we type things in wrong, then we don't understand adding and subtracting. It doesn't matter what the calculator says. If we type it in wrong, we won't know that we did something wrong. So that's why we're doing this. Then, I'm glad that we have a little bit of warning so no one's surprised. Then, what we're going to be looking for is, again, using algorithms for addition and subtraction with integers. All right, so the connection between adding and subtracting. So we've talked a little bit about how you can interchangeably use adding and subtracting, and some subtraction problems are a lot like adding problems, right? So we're going to definitely discuss that. And then we have our chipboard. Now, if you would like to use a chipboard or a number line, go for it. If you feel really good, if you pass that 25 problems in the 3.5 minutes, then feel free to go ahead and do these problems without using a chipboard or a number line. That's okay. But if you think that's something you're going to want, please make some number lines, have some chips at the ready, just in case you'd like to use them during today's investigation.
Lost your board.
And I lost my board. So I'm just going to pause this. And it's back. It's almost like magic. 1 second it wasn't there, next second it's back. It's pretty cool what we can do with pausing a camera. All right, so then in this investigation, we do have a lot of problems that are asking you to add or subtract and the connection between the two. So really, this is going to be a lot of common room group work today or tomorrow. So that's what you have in store for you tomorrow. Be ready for that timed test, and it will be posted on Schoology, but you will not be able to get in until class starts. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.